XAUUSD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video, we'll talk about gold against dollar. Before we do that, if you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification, and below the video, you'll find some links. Click on free Telegram group. So go and join the group. And it's a free Telegram. You can get some free signals every now and then. Check out the prop firm and the brokers right here. Sign up with the broker and start trading with my signals. You can start trading in a demo account first, okay? But I don't want you to mix my signals in your existing broker account. I want separate data for this. So use a separate account when you are going to trade with my signals in the future. Subscribe, like, and all of that. It's all free. Coming back to the chart, starting with the weekly approach. Weekly, what do we have? I mean, in gold, you don't really need to worry about, the trend. The trend is up in gold. We know that, okay? But this week, we had been going up, okay? So all we need to confirm from this week, in last 3 days, is that, are we going up or down? So last week, we were down. We took a pullback in weekly. And then now this week, we're going up. So quite simple, okay? In Delhi, again, we're up here. So, right, in Delhi, we don't have an entry here, but we made a new high. Okay, so this high is broken by this blue candle. Then we are making a new blue candle today. But when shall we enter? I think let's go back to 4 hour to give you an entry here. So let's see, when should you have, when you were supposed to enter today. That was, I think, at this candle. Okay, so you see this blue candle here, which has eaten the previous red candle and the previous blue candle. This was your entry right here at 3362. And if you would have entered here, then you could make your profits today already by now. Okay, but anyways, it's the past now. So when shall you enter next? So right on the price of the gold is, when I'm recording the video, is 3375. Okay, so I'm expecting this 3375 to go up to 3390, even until gold is supposed to, in this particular trade, it's supposed to take down this high before it takes a pullback. But US market is going to close in next I think 2 hours. Okay, so US market is closing in 2 hours when I'm recording the video for Wednesday. And then it might come here, then take a pullback. So long story short, either you can enter right now if you know your lot size, if you trade gold, if you're good with your numbers and lot size and everything, and you can manage your risk and all that, then you can enter right now, exit right here. Maybe your next profit should be 3385 or 3390. Okay, otherwise, if you want a more cleaner trade, then just wait for the high to break, and then wait for the pullback, and after the pullback, wait for the engulfing blue candle, and then enter in the future, maybe tomorrow. Okay, so keep an eye, and that's good for you. So if you like what you see, subscribe, like the video, share the video, and all of that. Join the Telegram and check out the broker, sign up with them, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.